everyone, thank you for tuning in to A Graders. Here's what to expect. Today we have with us an experienced math curriculum writer, Ms. Jennifer, who will be sharing with us what a Primary 5 student will be learning for math in July. So Jen, what are they learning this month?
So in July, P5 students will be doing decimals. Decimals are first taught in P4, so it's not exactly a new topic to them. But at P5, they are required to multiply and divide decimals by 10, 100 or 1000 and their multiples without using the calculator. In addition, they will need to convert measurements such as km, meter, cm, and so on from a smaller unit to a larger unit in decimal form and vice versa.
Okay, since it's an extension from P4 decimals, so are there any common mistakes or new areas or difficulties that you would like to highlight?
Okay, so for P4 decimal, for P5 decimal is actually an extension from P4. So it is very important that they are familiar with the basics in P4. So the common mistakes for P5 will be the confusion between the conversion units. Like 1 km is 1000 meter and 1 meter is 100 cm. So sometimes they're confused whether they should use 1000 or 100. Then at the same time also they are being taught that when you multiply by 10, 100 and 1000 and its multiples, you are supposed to move the decimal place to the right or to the left. They are not required to do working for that. So some students are still confused whether they should move to the right or to the left.
Okay, so with regards to that, do you have any methods to help the parents guide their child on this?
Yeah, okay, so first of all, it will be a good thing to get students to recall first. When we multiply, the answer should get greater. So if we move the decimal to the right, will the answer be greater or smaller? So from here, they will be able to tell you that if you move the decimal to the right, the number get greater. So when you multiply, you should move to the right. And when you move, you should actually look at what you're multiplying by. So if you are going to multiply by 1000, which is 3 zeros behind, so we will move to the right by 3 zeros. So if we look at the example over here, when we take 3.05 times 1000, we will move the decimal to the right by 3 places, and that will give us 3050, and also remind them to add a 0 under the empty arrow.
Okay, so they do not have to do workings for this type of questions, right? Then how about word problems? Do you have anything to share with us?
Yeah, okay, so mainly the word problems are similar to whole numbers as well. But let's take a look at this question where students have issues with the presentation. So for this type of question, students are encouraged to find the remainder so that they can work out how many items the remaining money can buy. Usually this question involves whole numbers, so it's not too difficult for them. But when it comes to decimal, let's take a look. So chocolate bars are sold at 3 for $12 or $4.50 each. Ronnie has $34. What is the maximum number of chocolate bars he can buy? So they will know that in order to buy the maximum, they will take 34 divided by 12, and that will give them 2 groups. But students often write it as a decimal. So encourage them to find the remainder. So it will be 2 groups, remainder $10. So in the 2 groups, they will be able to find out that it is actually 2 times 3, which is 6 chocolate bars. However, for the remaining $10, since it's not enough to buy a group of 3, then they will buy individually. So they take 10 divided by $4.50, which gives them 2 remainder $1. Hence, in the end, the number of chocolate bars that Ronnie can buy will be 6 plus 2 equals to 8. So the tip over here is to find the remainder, we get them to take the dividend, which is in this case 34, minus the divisor 12 times the quotient 2. So you can try it for the second one where we take 10 divided by 450.
Okay, so we have actually prepared a concise cheat sheet on this topic decimal. If you are interested, you can click on the link below to get it. Thank you very much.
To watch more of such videos and information to help your child improve and learn ahead of others in school,
visit our website www.agrader.sg, click on this button, fill in your email address and receive all these useful videos straight in your inbox for free.
As well as the latest in promotions so that you don't lose out on great deals with A Grader Learning Center.